Hello everybody. I have not had rice for a minute now. So today I decided to put it down. So here in my pot I have some extra virgin olive oil and I am frying a little Haitian épice. Now if you don't know what Haitian épice is, go on my page and you will find the video for the recipe. You're gonna let the épice fry a little bit until it gets golden. Here I'm adding a little bit of chicken base. Let it fry a little bit. Here I have some green peas. Those were frozen green peas. So let them saute. I would say probably 2 minutes, a little bit. All right, and here I'm adding a little bit of coconut milk. We are going to allow the coconut milk to cook for at least 5 minutes because you do not want the taste of raw coconut in your food. I would say after 5 minutes, now we are ready to add our white rice. Now the rice has been washed nicely. Okay, now we're gonna fry the rice with everything else. We're gonna let this do, I would do about probably 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, then I'm adding a little bit of chicken broth. Now, since I'm using 1 measure of white rice, I just added 1 1/4 measure of chicken broth. We are going to allow everything to cook, okay, up to the point where there is no more water at the surface. But of course, I'm adding a little bit, probably 4 cloves, and then 1 habanero pepper and a little bit of black pepper. That's it. Of course, you're gonna taste, but for me, I know my chicken broth has already salt in it, so there was no need to add more salt. So when there's no more water at the surface, reduce your heat and cover. Put the lid on top. Okay. Now, meanwhile, I'm going to saute some filet. Here I'm using flounder. Okay, those are super soft fish, very nice and tender. So we are going to be very gentle with them. Okay, so I would say each side no more than 5 minutes on each side. Okay, I'm adding a lid on top of it to allow it to cook faster. Again, that meat is very tender. Okay, so once everything is good on one side, we are going to flip it to the other side. Okay, try not to overcook it. And also, I'm trying to cover it up because I don't want my stove to be messed up with that oil splashing everywhere. All right, so again, flip it to the other side and same thing, 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, look at this. Once you get a nice gold color on each side, you're ready to take it out. All right, so we are going to repeat the same process for the remaining fish that I had in there. Okay, so this is my remaining fish. Again, my fish has already been marinated, and I also had some lobster that is also marinated, so I'm adding that to this. Okay, again, 5 minutes on each side, no more than that. We're trying not to overcook our meat right here. Okay, put the lid on, 5 minutes on each side, and you should be ready. All right, check this out. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Ain't that beautiful? I'm telling you. There we go. There we go. Flip it to the other side. Okay, and the same thing, try to, do the same thing with your lobster. There we go. All right, and at this point, you are ready to go. Food is ready to be served. I had a little salad that I have prepared with watercress and tomato and so on. That's what I'm going to be serving that rice with. Thanks everybody for being here with me today. I hope I will see you at the next video. Bye bye everybody. If you haven't done so, don't forget to love. Oh Lord have mercy. Look at this. Don't forget to love and follow and share and comment. See you at the next one. Bye-bye, everybody. Oh, Lord of mercy. That can be legal.
Nous fait ça pour